Subscribe the channel for latest updates. Press the bell icon. Get ready for the dictation at the count of 3, 2, 1. Start. India won her freedom from British rule through non-violence and without much bloodshed. It showed India's policy for love and peace. But this does not mean that India is weak and does not possess the power to fight. The government of India knows the necessity of keeping a strong army to defend the country against foreign aggression. The fact is that if India is unfortunately invaded by an enemy, the regular army will be required to fight on the battlefront. But the home front may at that time be left unprotected. Hence, there is the necessity for having a second line of defense. Primarily with this and in view, the National Cadet Corps under bracket NCC was formed by the government in 1948. Actually, the need was keenly felt at the time of the Chinese aggression in 1962. The government then decided to increase the number of cadets and urged the students of schools and colleges to undergo training under this scheme. The NCC has three wings: the Air Wing, the Land Force, and the Navy. However, the Land Force has been stressed more than the other two wings. Under this scheme, especially for NCC Land Wing, some schools and colleges are called upon to form cadet corps. At first, the suitable teachers are given training, and when they go back to their schools and colleges, they impart the NCC training to some selected students. This training mainly includes regular parades and drills, firing practice, etc. Classes are also held for theoretical lessons too. The teachers and the cadets are given the NCC uniform. They wear their uniforms at the time of parade and on some ceremonial occasions. These regular parades help the cadets to be physically strong and well disciplined. It helps them to build up their character and develop fellow feeling and smartness. At regular intervals, military officers of the NCC department visit the schools and colleges to test the progress made by the cadets. There are two divisions of the cadets: the junior and the senior. Boys and girls of the schools belong to the junior divisions, and those of the colleges belong to the senior division. Annual camping of the cadets is arranged for both the divisions in separate places for a fortnight. This helps them to experience outdoor camp life. Here they gain training under military officers. The teachers in charge accompany them. Besides regular parades, they have games and sports. Prizes are given to the winners in games and sports and for proficiency in parades. Here, the cadets have to do many things themselves. This develops in them the spirit of self-help and a sense of responsibility and qualities of leadership. The teachers who train the cadets have also to go to camps at different places in India every 2 or 3 years. There, they have to take refresher courses. When they come back to their school and colleges, they train the cadets with their experience in their own training. The cadets have some other services too. Apart from national defense, they perform useful service to society during any emergency such as flood or famine. They have duties to perform on important public occasions and social functions too. Stop.